Hello. Well, I've been doing some of these songs I've done. I've heard at work, but you know, I've heard at work, but I've never done before. So I'm gonna try them. You know, give them a shot. That's what we do. And Raph, where have you been? Oh, I drank a couple 40s in the kitchen, and then I went to the can. Did you wash your hands? No. Oh, you sicko bastard. You think that's funny? You think that's funny, don't you? You really think that's funny? Not washing your hands and wiping it on me? You think that's funny? Ref, do you want to get your ass kicked or do you want to watch a show? Have you seen the show? Is there a third option? Oh, I will kick your ass in front of God and everybody. Moron, imbecile, idiot, moron. I gotta regroup. Idiot. Thank you much.